because I had that metal piece right there. I put that metal piece to jump on him, but it was so tiny it didn't do shit. But look, we can build a jump right there on that side, and it will go right over into there. I moved the tree on the side. Let me show you real quick. Move those, and I'm gonna go around. Hit that tree though, so we gotta we'd have to angle it better like that, but we could clear it out. We could probably jump right there, straight out like that, if we built it right. Something feels weird on this bike, like something's crooked from that fall. I don't know what it is, but it feels weird. Does it feel a little bit off? Well, that's definitely that, yeah. This shit's bent all the way down. But that's the side that I went down on.
I like this though, it's so fun.
I know, I love it. We'll take the dinosaur out for a little bit. Yo, what the fuck? This thing is all fucked up. The shifter is like not right.
What?
This thing's all fucked up.
Oh.
That shifter's bent. I can't even reach the shifter.
No, yours is just really high.
This clutch is messed up though. What the fuck? Bike feels so weird. This thing is all sorts of fucked up. It doesn't want to go into first gear. This bike is nothing but fucking bullshit, dude. It doesn't want to go into first gear. I'm sitting here clicking it. It doesn't want to go into first gear. It feels like you're like leaning forward, like the brake. It's like the front shocks are like down. It just feels so fucking weird. It's hard to even hit the shifter or the brake. It's probably because those ones are so loose and easier. I'm probably just used to that bike, but I know, I love it. Something's fucked up with that KDX though. Something's fucked up.
Yeah, it's the engine brake.
What?
I think it's the engine brake.
I don't know. All I know is it doesn't feel like it used to feel.
Yeah.
I think when he went down the other day, I think he bent the shit out of the shifter. It's bent down, so you have to reach really far down to get it. Yeah, he crashed on that side. See how it's bent? It bends down. No. Look at the shifter. It's got a big curve to it.
The shifter is the same as normal. That's just extremely high.
I don't know. I felt like a fucking retard on that thing, bro.